If your Cash App isn't working properly or you are experiencing errors, don't worry because we will show you simple ways to refresh Cash App and fix the common issue. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. If you are using a desktop or laptop, using a wired Ethernet connection whenever possible for the most stable experience. Now, if you're using a mobile device, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network or ensure your mobile data is strong. Avoid using any VPN or proxy service as these can sometimes interfere with the Cash App's connection and cause errors. Once you've confirmed your connection is stable, try using the Cash App again. Now, if the problem continues, try refreshing your account by signing out. Open the Cash App, go to your account settings, and log out of your account. Wait a few seconds, then try signing back again using your credentials. Logging back in can refresh your session and resolve many temporary issues. Now, if neither of the previous steps fixes the issue, it's time to contact the Cash App support. So describe the problem you're experiencing and provide any messages, errors you receive. Their support team can help troubleshoot account-specific issues that cannot be resolved on your device. If you find it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.